So the investment pays back successfully. This video is how I made 2 investment platforms passive income. Stay tuned for that one. Welcome back to another vid with your guy Kenny McB from MoneyPassiveCash.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made 2 investment platforms passive income. So let's jump straight into it. These investment platforms are crowdfunding investment platforms. Excuse me y'all if y'all hear my son in the background. Do you know what crowdfunding means? No? No problem. I'll tell you. It is the practice of funding a project or a venture by raising many small amounts of money from large groups of people, typically through the internet. Do you know who else uses crowdfunding? Artists, musicians, filmmakers. They have successfully raised funds and gathered up awareness about what they're trying to promote through crowdfunding. So basically, crowdfunding is a large group of people that pull together small individual investments to provide the capital needed to fund or to get a company or project off the ground. The first investment platform that I'm going to show you guys is Fundrise. Fundrise is a online real estate company that average people like myself can invest in. People buy into private, commercial, and residential properties by pulling the asset through Fundrise investment platform. Then Fundrise handles and determines the underlying properties. You can make money with Fundrise through rental income that comes in quarterly dividends. Another way that you can earn returns is when the properties appreciate over time and then are sold. I think the average Fundrise investment in 2019 was I think 9.47%. Yeah, 9.47%. Pretty good, you know, not too major, but pretty good. Assuming, of course, that you reinvested your dividends back into your Fundrise account. Fundrise makes dividend payments to investors in cash money. Cash money. Cash money. What am I talking about? This is for the mortgage. That's funny. Investors like myself choose automatically to have our dividends reinvested back into our account, which in turn makes it passive because I'm not doing anything. All I did was set up the account and, you know, pick my plan, then through the dividend reinvestment program, click the button. That's it. That's it. helps to originate peer-to-peer lending marketplace, which matches borrowers with investors who are willing to fund the loan. So you can go there to apply for a loan, or you can do like I have done, which is become an investor. And I will show you how to sign up. Go to lendingclub.com. Then after you sign up with them, you can go to invest, then individuals. And I think the maximum or minimum for this investment platform is 500 as well. After that, of course, choose a plan that you feel comfortable with. I personally went with a custom mix. I always like a diversified portfolio. Then turn the automated reinvesting on. So that's what makes this completely passive. Same thing like the last platform that I have, showed you guys. I put in money once and it continues to grow and, invest more of my money back into it. So it's continuously going like that. It continues. Like, yeah. And that's how I was able to make 2 investment platforms passive income. Just think about how many, rich people there is out there. They might have many or even a few sources of income, but I'm pretty sure, at least a few of them, if not all of them, are passive, meaning that you either put up work first, money, or spend your time learning the material of what you need to succeed, and then for some reason there's an automated system in that type of business, or you can make it automated, or you can automate it yourself in many ways, just like YouTube. You make a video once, and once you get monetized, of course, it continues to make you money for as long as it's up there, or if YouTube itself don't take it down. That's passive. And this is just to me, okay? That's what passive means to me. Or passive income means to me. Say this before I finish this video. I repeat, I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a regular person, and this video is just for learning purposes only. I'm a new learner of passive income, and just multiple income streams in general. So yeah, hope you enjoyed that. I hope this has inspired you to go out and do something. It doesn't have to be on a major, huge level like you see, you know, most of your, you know, favorite YouTubers and stuff like that. You can start out this way and grow and someday get there. You know, you just have to keep on going, keep on going. Never give up. And I'm out. Take care. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. As always, give me a like if you don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will be notified anytime I upload new videos like this one.